Have you ever finished a deductive reasoning question, clicked your answer with complete confidence, and then discovered you got it wrong? Not because the question was difficult, not because you didn't understand English, but because your brain quietly filled in information that wasn't actually there. If that's happened to you, don't worry. It's one of the biggest reasons people lose marks in SHL deductive reasoning tests. The good news? These mistakes are predictable. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common traps SHL uses, why people fall for them, and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Trap 1. Assuming something is true. This is the biggest trap in SHL deductive reasoning. Imagine you read, all managers attend the monthly meeting. Then you're asked, Sarah attends the monthly meeting. Can we conclude that Sarah is a manager? Many people immediately think, well, managers attend the meeting, so Sarah must be a manager. Wrong. The statement never says only managers attend the meeting. Other employees might attend too. The only thing we know is manager to meeting. We do not know meeting to manager. This trap appears constantly in SHL tests. Remember, just because something can happen one way doesn't mean it works in reverse. Trap 2. Adding your own knowledge. SHL questions only care about the information provided. Nothing else matters. For example, all company vehicles are blue. Question. Are all blue vehicles company vehicles? In real life? Of course not, but that's not the point. SHL isn't testing your real-world knowledge. It's testing your ability to reason using only the information given. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, well, normally, stop immediately. The word normally doesn't exist in deductive reasoning, only the evidence matters. Trap 3. Confusing some with all. Let's look at this statement. Some employees work remotely. Question. Do all employees work remotely? No, the word some only means at least one. It could be 2 employees, 20 employees, 200 employees, but it does not mean everyone. A quick SHL rule. Some not equal to all, some not equal to most. Some not equal to many, some simply means one or more. Never assume anything extra. Trap 4. The word must. Many SHL questions ask, which statement must be true? The word must is important, not. Could be true, not. Seems reasonable, not. Probably. Must means it is impossible for the statement to be false. For example, statement, every graduate completed training. Question, John is a graduate. Can we conclude John completed training? Yes, because if John is a graduate, the original statement guarantees it. The answer must be true. Always ask, does the evidence force this conclusion? If not, don't choose it. Trap 5. Looking for what feels right. Your intuition is often wrong in deductive reasoning. SHL knows this. Consider, no interns have company cars. Question, Emma does not have a company car. Can we conclude Emma is an intern? No, there could be thousands of employees without company cars. The conclusion feels right, but it isn't supported by the evidence. When answering questions, don't ask, what sounds logical? Ask, what can I prove? Proof beats intuition every time. Trap 6. Ignoring keywords. Tiny words carry huge meaning. Words like all, some, only, none, every, always, never, at least, at most, exactly. These words completely change the answer. For example, only managers can approve expenses. This means approve expenses implies manager. Many candidates accidentally read it as manager implies approve expenses. Those are completely different statements. Train yourself to slow down whenever you see these keywords. They're often where SHL hides the trick. A simple 3-step method whenever you answer a deductive reasoning question. Step 1. Read only what is written. Ignore real-world knowledge. Step 2. Ask yourself, what can I prove with certainty? Step 3. Reject any answer that requires assumptions. If you have to assume something, the answer is usually wrong. Quick example, let's practice statements. All analysts use the reporting system. James uses the reporting system. Question, is James definitely an analyst? No, we know. Analyst implies reporting system. We do not know. Reporting system to analyst. James could be an analyst, but he doesn't have to be. Therefore, the correct answer is cannot say. And cannot say is often the correct answer in SHL tests. The biggest mistake people make in deductive reasoning isn't misunderstanding the question, it's adding information that was never given. Remember, don't assume, don't guess. Don't use real-world knowledge, only use the evidence in front of you. Check out the links in the description for more SHL help and practice tests.